Hello everyone, welcome to WebDev. This will be a special series. In this series, we will solve 100 JavaScript problem. So let's see our first JavaScript problem. So it's saying that we have an given array of integer given, and we need to replace the occurrence element to with the subtraction element. And here is the example that we have an array of 1, 2, 1, and we need to replace the 1 with the subtraction element 3. After replacing, the result will be 3, 2, 3. So how can we do that? For that, so we need to first traverse the whole array. After traversing, then we need to find the index of 1. So when we find the index of 1 position, then we just change the value of that index position. After that, we will show the output. So I will encourage you to pause the video and try to solve it your own. After solving the problem, you can see the answer. So let's jump into the code. So okay, I'm gonna in this show, and now I will first create a folder for 100 JavaScript. So let's create it 100 script. Okay. Now I'm gonna open this folder in VS Code. Okay. And now let's create a file for one just. So if we see that we have already given a function name, so just copy this function. I'm gonna use the arrow function. Okay, I'm gonna use the arrow function, and now I will use the for each method. So if we have typed for each, so instead of array, I need to pass the input array. So pass the input array. Now first off, we need to check that element is equal to the element to replace, whether it exists or not. If it's available, so and we have to say that we have to need the index also. So yeah, we need to index as well. So if available, then we're gonna just put input array index with the subtraction element now, and then return this input array. This, and if I check my, so for testing the function, I'm gonna use the console.log. Let's call the function, and the parameter, first parameter will be 1, 2, 1. We need to replace the 1 and with 3. So let's check the result. Yeah, it's correct. So it's now working. So let's move on the next problem. In the next problem, we say that we need to write a function that returns the sum of two numbers. So that is very easy for us. Just return the sum of two numbers. So I type this 2.js, and if I go const, let's name of the function is sum of, okay, two numbers, and here it will receive two parameters, number 1 and number 2. Then just return the sum of this. Return number 1 plus number 2. And now for testing that, just use console.log, call the function, use the parameter 2, 3. If I run this, yeah, now it's work. And we see there is another problem, that is write a function that returns the sum of all number regardless of params. So we need to use params. So how can we do that? So for that we gonna use the same name const sum of params, and inside this param, so let's call the variable param. So we're gonna receive the param, so that's why we need to use the rest operator. Now we need to use the const total. Let's input total value is 0, or we're gonna start with that for it. Well, okay, for each we give this param. Now we use let total equal to 0. So initially the total value is 0. The total will be total plus element. Or we can write the shorthand operator. So we're gonna use the shorthand operator. Okay. And then return the total. Return the total. So for that checking console.log sum of params 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use multiple parameters. So let's check the answer. Yeah, it's now correct. So I hope you understand. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment, and please subscribe to our channel for more this tutorial, and thank you.